If you want to turn a written book into a polished audiobook, ElevenLabs makes the process surprisingly simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an audiobook on ElevenLabs step by step, even if you've never used the tool before. By the end, you'll know how to upload your file, choose the right narration settings, add a voice character, and generate a finished audiobook in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on Audiobooks. This is the section where you'll build and manage your audiobook projects. From there, click Create an Audiobook to start a new project. Now it's time to upload your source file. ElevenLabs allows you to upload a PDF or EPUB file, so choose the format that contains the book or document you want to convert. After selecting your file, let the platform load it into the audiobook builder. Depending on the size of the document, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to process everything properly. Next, you'll choose your narration style. This is important because the style helps define the tone of the audiobook. You can pick a more expressive style, a calmer style, or whatever fits the content best. After that, choose the model you want ElevenLabs to use for generating the voice output. If you want more natural sounding narration, this step is worth paying attention to because the model can affect the final quality. Once those settings are selected, click Continue. ElevenLabs will take a few seconds to move you to the next stage of the setup. After that, select the language for your audiobook. Make sure this matches the language of your book so the pronunciation and narration flow correctly. Then you'll see the scene break length option. This setting controls how much pause or separation you want between sections of the audiobook. If your book has chapters, scenes, or major sections, choosing the right break length can make the listening experience much smoother and easier to follow. After adjusting that, click Continue again. Now you'll choose a voice character. This is where the audiobook really starts to take shape because the voice character determines how the narration will sound to your listeners. Take a moment to listen to the options and pick the one that best matches the tone of your content. For example, a storytelling voice may work better for fiction, while a clear and steady voice may be better for non-fiction or educational material. Once you've chosen the voice, click Continue. Before you generate the final audiobook, you also have the option to add pronunciation rules if you want. This is especially useful if your book contains unusual names, technical terms, brand names, or words that should be pronounced in a very specific way. Adding these rules helps improve accuracy and makes the finished audiobook sound much more professional. When everything looks good, click Create Audiobook. ElevenLabs will begin processing your project and generating the audio. Depending on the length of your book, this may take a little time, so be patient while the platform does its work. Once it finishes, you'll have your audiobook ready to review and use, and that's how to create an audiobook on ElevenLabs from start to finish. You simply sign in, open the audiobook section, upload your PDF or EPUB, choose your narration style and model, set your languages and scene breaks, select a voice character, add pronunciation rules if needed, and then create the audiobook. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more ElevenLabs tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.